Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yo, no man, we just get it. Yeah, no, we have got the two. Don't vex. We have got the two today. No, we have got the two today because the one what we did have from yesterday and see all the people in my Senate so we do that one. Because the brother here from Columbus is a mad brother. Okay, people, it's about 12 minutes after 10 o'clock. That means it's time for... I must have my voice back.
Something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that? Can you believe it?
Robbery suspect arrested after returning to home to ask victim for a date. So him rob somebody, get way, and him arrest him, cause him go back there and look the woman who him did rob. No, that brother have to get a tambourine. A brother have to get a tambourine. We not care if them want to write article in the Observer or the Gleaner, but real mad. Columbus, Ohio. Ohio police said a suspect in a robbery was arrested when he returned to the home about 2 hours later to ask the victim out on a date. All idiot! Police say 20-year-old Stefan Bennett of Columbus, Ohio, was among 3 men who robbed a couple late Sunday. Columbus Police Sergeant Sean Laird said the woman recognized Bennett as one of the robbers when he returned to ask her out. She had a relative call 911. Police said Bennett was arrested in front of the home. He was arraigned Tuesday on a charge of aggravated robbery and was being held in the Franklin County Jail on $100,000 U.S., of course, bail. A public defender had not yet been assigned to Bennett's case. Damn fool. Well, if you're not supposed to rob the people anywhere, right? We know that. But you rob somebody and then you get where you're gone and then you come back and look the woman who you rob. No, no, I don't care. Yeah, this is boy enough for going to Bellevue like a madhouse. Him cannot be righted. Him cannot be righted. You cannot rob somebody and look like a gun. Whether them look use some weapon because it's aggravated robbery, right? Get where I'm gone. And the people who you rob, you gone back there and look the woman and say, January, you know, so I rob you a while ago, but why me look for a shot to me, I rob you, you know, so I get to and think, but I have to come back and think, so what you say? Can't touch you road. Yeah, with I love you, you know. Not for carry out and thing, and you know, I have the money come and rob you. Yeah, that's why I know some is a fine, ambitious youth, you know, because I be a robber, I don't know some day I feel. Yo, that youth here is a madded. That youth here is a straight madded. Okay, we could say that one I say now. Wife cheats on husband. Husband gets revenge by selling her wedding dress to pay for divorce. Mad! Tambourine! You hear that one they go? The wife bond the husband. And the husband, boy, hey, the husband I think like a woman in her hands. No, seriously. You know when woman thinks that them are gonna hurt, man, them come up with some, them sit down and them plot and them think, what go really burn him? What go burn him the most? And then them just move to you with some wicked way. You know that, right? Well, I saw that man here think, because him never just go cuss her and beat her up and say, well, where you born me for or whatever. The man go get her wedding dress. Yeah, and you know what woman particular about them wedding dress? You know how woman particular about them? The man go get her wedding dress, sell the wedding dress, use the money for the wedding dress, pay for the divorce. Mad! Jamaican men don't need to learn from these things, you know. When the woman them move expand, you know, we need to sit down and just think it out, man. What is it? We'll just mash up them head. Mash up them head. Right? Whenever notice all when I have some woman all bone your back and think them all bone your back with your best friend and think me can't even talk to your best friend for the rest of your life again. And tear up your head side them with Mercury the Precker, Pennsylvania in the United States again. A Pennsylvania man whose wife left him for a younger man is selling her wedding dress on eBay to help pay for his divorce lawyer. The dress is pretty. The dress is pretty much all he has left to show of his 11-year marriage. And the headline on eBay sums it up. Selling dress to pay for divorce. Wife cheated. Man, Tambourine for that. The bidding starts at only $50. And the man, he only wishes to be known as Jimmy, says it's a good price considering the dress has never been worn. The dress has never been worn? What I mean? Well, except by Jimmy, who is pictured in it on eBay. Am I wear the dress by Yo, look like the little bun where reach Jimmy madam, you know. No, we're concerned about Jimmy, yo. I walk one with Jimmy. Jimmy wife left him for a younger boy and Jimmy I walk on and I'm wife wedding dress on eBay. No, Jimmy. No, you're going to make professor not sing about you. You're not a bad boy. Okay, well, I figured what the heck. A little humor can't hurt. Jimmy, a hard-working member of the U.S. military, said he bought the dress for his former wife so they could renew their vows since they never... Oh, she not wear the dress yet. So that they could renew their vows since they never had a traditional ceremony. Oh, no, well, she not going to feel nothing from it then. Jimmy, I make a fool of himself then, man. Because that dress don't mean nothing to her. That dress don't mean nothing to her. Jimmy says after he paid for his wife to undergo gastric bypass surgery, their marriage started to crumble. Bottom line, wife got skinny, wife cheated. Papa Jesus. No gastric bypass surgery. I want something like if you have a whole heap of weight, you do that. We are talking now our language. You do that, you do the surgery, and then you look good again. Well, assuming, I don't want mosquito come cost me, but assuming that, you know, if you think that if you look skinnier, you will look better, then that. So him say, wife got skinny, wife cheated. Hey, that wickedy, him spending money for she look good, give her proper surgery and all everything there. And as she look good, she moved to her next man. What's the moral of the story, Hans? Don't spend your money, make woman look good. Get them when them don't look good. if them are there with you when them don't look good, it means that them are leave somebody who spend money for them to look good for you. We can't hear you. No, man, should I make you sign a contract? Should I make you sign a contract? Yeah. Say after the surgery, well, you can't do nobody about me.
Yeah, that means they can't take it.
You're bonded for 2 years minimum. What him say? Then he says she walked out with everything the couple owned, including their children, and left him with credit card debt and the dress. So what's a man to do? Sell the dress, make some money, and get out of debt and get a divorce. There's more to this story, Edwin. There's more to this story, you know? More to this story. But him spend all the money upon she and make she go look good up, and she goes, bam, sir! Cut and gone with a look of young youth and thing. Big up Miss Lady who married to the man and have the man a file for her from foreign and she have a look spooky out here. 20 years her junior. What she into? Big time. I love more than the man. You know yourself. Anyway, there you have it, people. That was...
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
The topic of the week continues to be Uptown Mixup. Make read some email. Right now. First email, we got big up yourself no matter what haters want to say. Love your good up body. Jamaica have the best of most things. I just feel we appreciate it and accept it. People must mind their own business. Like the Uptown woman who always a give her husband bun and brag about it with her friends. I'll tell them say she's the sort out not good with her husband, disgracing the man, and fly out one summer. When she come home, him gone a small island gone work. So she carry her bunner man in the house and was on the sofa with him. And something hook her here. When she look, is a brazier. Apparently, another woman was there when she did gone. She get mad and start mash up the things them in the house. She mash one glass. And piece cut her upon her neck. Now her friends them a laugh. Say the brother man beat her up. The husband move upstairs with him woman and she live downstairs now in malice. Enough respect. You see it? Moral of the story. When you're giving bun and thing, don't walk and brag and show off to everybody about it. It will come around back and haunt you. Are that chair you make? Are that chair you make so much now? Yo, bring the other chair coming. I'm telling all the way, I like not to make too much noise under me. Okay. Unless...
Is this no better?
No. I just squeaking when I like. All right, yeah.
Well, stay steady.
What you mean? I'd rather you talk to me, can't stay steady. I work, you know, vibes we say, energy we say, what kind of stay steady around here? Next email, Raga, Ruth voice and mad me. Just make you say something over the mic now, please. Okay, Ruth, come on. Just come now, man. Just say come. Just say clap your tiny hands. Come. No, Ruth, come now, man. Yeah, hold up the thing, man. The people that make a request. Just come over here for a sec. Come over here for a sec. Okay, which department are you studying now?
Humanities and education.
But what the department under humanities and education?
Caramac.
And what you study?
Diploma in radio.
Diploma in radio. Well, we wish you all the best. I will want you, we want you to succeed. We want you to take your work seriously. Yeah, pass that chair, because I don't want you to miss. Yeah. All right. Good to go. Yeah, man. Yo. I don't want to work with. Every time I come in, I chair I work with. It's like how Alice love that blue chair there. Me love that black one there. All right. So Alice, why Alice love that blue chair there? Oh, because it's high. Poor thing. Little petite one. Okay. Next email. Raga, big up the lie. March, man. We're living at the ghetto. We a share room with the mother and sisters them. Him want me left me good uptown man for him. Raga, me shame when me go him house for sort him out. One, Raga. Okay, yeah man. Edgy, touchy, but can be read. One, rather him something look like a pepper buckle compared to my man ketchup buckle. Yo, all of the man them know say them a ketchup buckle, say hoo 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 hoo. All of the man them know say them a pepper buckle. Let's go easy and say ar. Now worry on yourself, man. Don't have somebody pick the two. Okay, number two. Raga, his room is as big as my man bed. Oh, God. Yo, no, my girl, you're too cool. Three, and him house is as big as my man room. No, my girl, cool, but it's a humble you today with a dirty mother. Well, let me finish. Now me find out, say, him half woman outer road a fight for him pepper buckle. Me not join the war, cause me no fight for when me no want. A straight up lift make me say, Raga, P.S. I live at my boyfriend's house, who has been away for almost a year now. So I was in need of some sorting out. But that brother package make me decide, so me can't wait a bit longer. Yo, that cool, my girl. That cool. But me know why you too not the brother still, because him have what God give him that one. And if him, him room is as big as your brother bed, as you not knock him for that. I know every man have it, some man a try and thing, And you say him house is as big as your man room. Kind of cool, yo. That kind of cool. But I guess the point where you make is but if it's just a sort out, it's just a sort out. Where you don't know where you stretch. I guess if you say you left all of that where you have with your man, if you go pick up that from him, then a different argument. But you know. Next email. Here, Raga, big up yourself, Madonna. A friend of mine was in the guard room at a 100-man station a while back one night. Anyway, he saw a man running in the station in his marina and underpants and said to the police officer at the front desk, "Officer, them just brought my house and thief my video, my tape, my TV, and rape my woman and her daughter." What? During the taking of his statement, the woman and the daughter came in. The woman said to him, "You tell him everything?" Him say yes. She said, "You sure?" Him say yes. She said, "You tell him, say, him rape you too?" And the station mash up. Yo, that's serious. Yo, that's serious, no. No laugh. Cause here's the man running a station and say, "Officer, them broke my house, thief my video, my tape, my TV, and rape my woman and her daughter." And then the mother come in, the woman and the daughter come in and say, "You tell him everything?" And him say, "Yes." And she say, "If you're sure?" And him say, "Yes." She said, "You tell him, say the man rape you too." Never tell the police them that part there. I think this is a good time to take a break. You know? I want that kind of touchy and thing. We're so forward.
Raga, I want you to talk some things for me, you know. Cause some of them condition body, you know. I don't want you to give them not even little shampoo. Them better go get little latter body.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in other something. Uptown Mixup with up on any other proper Mixup on after. This is a show about Mixup, right? It is hosted by the king of Mixup. It's about Mixup and Blenda entertainment. And that we do. We study Mixupology. Mixup, we say, laugh and grow is our motto. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Morning, Raga.
To the world.
How you do?
I'm a day, feeling nice in the morning here, you see me?
Myself too. Raga, my mother say, me mix up like you.
Okay.
Cause I see like how you mix up, I see so me mix up.
Mad.
And my brother-in-law, I love you.
That's all right. I will leave a man burn me out, you know.
All right. Raga, me have two mix up for you.
Blaze them quick.
One dip on the right. The right side. So me stand up one dip on the near right and one dip on the far left.
One dip on the near right and one dip on the far left. You two mix up them.
Yes.
Okay, this should be interesting.
You see the near one?
Yeah.
In my fire Uzi.
In my fire Uzi.
Yes, right now, Raga.
Yeah.
In there with one man, you see, and the man call him and tell him say.
Hold on. Who there with one man?
The near one. Raga, the man listening, Raga.
Oh, the man
They have buried high, listen, Raga.
So who there with? Who, is that woman there with the man?
Yes, one girl.
One girl there with the man. Okay.
Yes. And the man must call him and tell him say, in fire, he get shot.
Okay. So you get shot? No, but and I get to that can mean two things. You need the relationship done or one contract a disease. Which one it mean?
Contract.
Okay, so you get shot, you get a disease.
Fine, squeeze the gun and something fire.
Clear, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And Raga, in my friend, I tell him, say, if he, Raga, appeal like a small John Crawford like him when he stand up.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah, be a small. So, when he stand up, I be a small John Crawford like him.
Now you sit and it wet.
Nobody get too much in them details.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Raga. So the next one now, next to me.
Yeah.
On the left.
On the left.
Last month, the man catch him again bun.
Okay. So
In
fear
fact,
man catch a raggy or bun.
The man catch a woman again bun.
Right.
Here how we go now. The woman farm sick pan the man and tell him say if you're sick. And the man must go home because the guy not live with him. I baby father, live with him. So
Right.
tell him say if you're sick.
Right.
So simple meaning is sick, so he must go on home.
Yeah.
They are thinking towards trees upside in yard.
Okay. Thinking. You know how long I don't you thinking to?
Oh, me I can't so call you.
No, it's long time I don't you thinking to, you know. I don't even know say I'm still there.
The man hide behind the tree.
He might be behind the thinking to a tree. Yeah.
And the woman peep out the door because the woman I two left footing I the pan. I the parent side.
Okay.
And Raga in peep out and he say no see him. So he go in and ring the bonner man and tell the bonner man and the bonner man call him back and he tell him say the man gone. And when he tell him say the man gone, the man just walk, the man walk, him come out now and the man walk down. The bonner man outside tell him say no look for none can me carry.
No look for none can me carry.
In carry. So if you look for no life jacket for him carry.
Okay.
He not even call him on the phone and tell him Raga talk loud.
Okay.
And the bonner man stand up there and hear. So she now come out and could have only come step in at the other man and run back in and say, Mommy, he catch me.
So wait, when she come out and she says she get catch, our baby father catch her with the bonner man, she just, run go back and say, Mommy, him catch me.
He catch me.
What that?
And the man who will him go to the man now before the idiot waits until then go and get the pan the Accra guy hold him and take him off. Him now go him out of the house. After him go in the house, he can go to the bonner man. That time the man run gone.
That time the bonner man run gone. So real man go in there and I try draw out now for face the bonner man.
So me now see me ask him say.
So you say him should have wait until the two of them do the thing?
Okay. You just go take him. You go take off. If I take off, if I stand up, you split aside.
Okay.
No for
Okay. Yeah.
And he now wait until he come out. He just grab him. And make she could have run back in the house. Go tell him say yes.
Okay.
Mommy, then he catch me.
All right then. A blessing to them two that way now. Yeah.
You don't know.
Huh?
You know.
Oh.
Make who tell you.
Huh?
Make who tell you.
Huh?
Make who tell you. Me look a jam where did go down.
No worry yourself, man. Everything is everything, man. You're good, man.
You did hear?
No, but after your talk that here.
Make who tell you.
Yeah, man. Since you are juggling show right now, after your talk that here.
Yeah, man.
But take care here, ruling.
Yeah, man.
All right. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
What's up, brother?
Yeah, man. Talk a little louder. Your voice soft here.
I have a problem. The thing is this, I was taking a taxi this morning.
Yeah.
From the taxi run from Nagahead to Waterford.
Yeah.
And I lost my phone in the car. I want to know if the taxi driver is listening. He listens to your station every day. If you could just come at the place that he stopped me, or give somebody the phone for me.
But how am I going to know who?
I was in a purple blouse and a jeans pants.
But how am I
was the
going to
only one in the car.
You're the only one in the car?
Yes.
So taxi man, because we don't know sound lock to my thing, to the show. Lock to the show. I have some bridging there. 80 little sleep me make it up. I reach there. So also taxi man lock to your thing. Yo! To the taxi man who drive from Nagahead go to Waterford, a lady who did in your car this morning in a purple blouse and thing. She left her phone there. See? So why can't bring it again?
We know where Jung Supermarket is?
Me?
Jung Supermarket.
No, but darling, it's not with me know,
No.
But you have to just say something what you think he must know.
Jung Supermarket.
All right, just tell him that Jung Supermarket, he must know. All right, bring it go to Jung Supermarket, go get her, yeah? All right, then blessing.
All right, thanks.
Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Yeah. Morning.
How you doing?
Why am I there, you know?
All right, Mr. President, I listen to you, my dear grung.
All right.
Yes. All right, then, Raga, later, yeah?
Okay, then. Later, baby. All right. Hello, Raga. Hi, but they're grown. Well, listen to you, man. All right. Mad. Hey, my call, I never sample it. Here we go. Uptown Mixup. Uptown Mix Root. Don't. If you send somebody over here and them don't give an Uptown Mixup or a sample Mixup and thing, them going to get cut off and we're going to cut you off too. All right? Okay. Uptown Mixup. So if you not tell Root liar come over here, Root are get in that trouble and you not going to get cut off. Uptown Mixup or a sample Mixup. Here we go. Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Raga,
Wow.
how you do?
There.
I said this morning, you know.
Hold on. Radio on back of you.
Hey, no turn off.
Oh, God, man. You see, we're going to cut you off now.
Yeah, Raga.
The radio turn off.
Yeah, it turned
Because
off.
we're tired for telling you. Yeah, and it's still on. The radio still. We're going to cut you off, darling, because we still get the feedback here. Next call. If you're radio on, you're going to get cut off. Hello. Morning. Hello.
Morning, Raga.
Yeah.
Listen to your show, Lou, the first time caller.
All right. What's up?
I was one mix up for you.
Send on.
When the show, yeah, top on the toll yesterday, I thought what the young girl, I get the bun on the side.
What up?
The young girl, I get the bun on the side. And call the man, the man wife at night.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah.
She don't know if you get bun.
Why you say she don't know how to get bun?
Yeah, man, she don't know if you get bun.
Why you say that now?
She want back to school to learn.
She want go back to school to learn how to get bun. Okay.
Man.
What
I don't know, my thing overseas, you know.
Your thing overseas, your people overseas. And then
you know time when things come up and you have to try a thing still.
Right, like when your aisle ride you and heat take you, no? Well, you say you have to try a thing more time.
Yeah, man, you have to try a thing more time.
So how you go about your thing now?
Well, you have to take time now you're done, you get a call now and again, yes, and so you can do on the side.
And see what you can do on the side.
Yeah, man.
So you say you're a gentleman there abroad. But every now and then when certain little feelings reach you have to just drive your man door.
Yeah, man, you can't do things for yourself. You just drive your cover.
Oh, you have to, okay, see. So you said the other girl never know if you get bun, but you know if you get bun.
She don't know if you get, man. She don't know if you get that.
All right, you ever bring the man go, yeah, and your bun man, you ever bring them go to your yard?
Yeah, man,
You bring them go to your yard?
Not go feel me. I don't want nobody come dry me up.
You don't want nobody come dry you up?
So I rather can go on mine.
They, okay, makes sense, but they ain't afraid with people who know say you have your gentleman.
We know what time thing come on, you understand?
Oh, okay. A certain time you have to bring him in and thing. Okay, then suppose a man start like, you ever there with a bonner man who start like you and go on like you want to take up residence?
No, it mean and make sure to me have you trying to involve already, you know. That means saying no, say.
Oh, so when you are get born, you make sure say you get born with somebody who committed to somebody already. That way him have to hide too.
Yeah, my friend.
And that way him can't go on like him want come take up residence with you and want come. So you make sure say you're born a man them have a woman who them there with outright, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah. So that's a one rule of the burning then, don't it?
One rule. Never try to go to the man with single, you know. When I go to with the man with single and try if and take charge of certain things, you know. So.
Oh, okay. So why else you don't do then? Why else you not do when you do your burning now? What are the rules there the way you must do?
What are the rules you must do?
Yeah, what are the rules there? You have any other? Yeah.
You know who you are talking to and know what you are do.
What you mean by that?
Alright, for instance, you know. You have to know your friend when you can't tell your friend them certain things. You don't know you don't know who your friend them might be.
Oh, so what you said, don't make your friend them know say get born.
Yeah, you can have ideas still, but you can't really come up front and admit everything. Because that is a mistake no people make, you know, them get all woman, them have to share. Woman have to tell somebody and thing, and them have to, you know, have a little friend of them go tell about them little burning and thing. But yeah, say, right now, if you're careful, you even not trust your friend. If you're careful, you talk to you, know, because you're not careful, you know, say, your friend might not draft for your thing. You understand that?
But look how much time that come up on the show. Look how much time that come up on the show where somebody a give bun and tell them friend about it and them friend go back go tell them man or them woman and broke them foot and all them thing. They don't it?
Yeah, man.
So when you get born, don't even tell your trusted friend, give them too much details or anything. No.
You can't do that, man.
You can't do that.
Trouble.
You'll get yourself in a trouble.
Yeah, man. You put yourself in a trouble. There's someone to hang yourself there. So.
Okay. So what you do if like the burning I get sweet now?
Lad, you know right now, it get hooked to it, and I don't know what me going to do in the bar.
No, but it sound like
thing can't turn up any time, man. You understand?
So how you gonna manage with that? Because the burning where you going with right now, it's sweet, no?
Yeah, man.
Sweet piece of burning, don't it?
Bad, man.
But you said the sort out sell off.
Yeah.
Have you weak?
Sell off.
Weak, man. When you're done, you say, Lord have mercy, man. Don't it? Hello? Okay. Right. If you get born, do if you make sure you have credit too. And okay. Well, look like she get cut off this, you know. Yeah. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
There's it, sir.
My respect, sir.
So I go on.
But they have my family. What I go on?
Boy, you sure sell off, man. All right.
All right, my family.
They're good.
Yeah.
Sure. It's your voice that come back, man.
Who?
Your voice.
Yeah, for real, yeah?
Yeah, keep a more show.
Eh?
More show now keep.
Not until about December.
So far?
No, man. Well, we got some little one in November for pick some contestants. No. Well, some little one in November for pick some contestants for December, you know?
Backyard?
Yeah, I think so. That's where we go. We need to pick some contestants for a big show in December.
All
right.
I love what you do with the show still. I not like tell off if you keep up the good work and base and sing. First time caller still.
All right, my family. Our strength we say, yeah? Proper sitting.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Okay. Here we go. One more call. Mix up road leaving. Mix up who want road leaving. Mix up. Vet the calls them. Filter the calls. Uptown mix up. We don't even get enough time think on the Uptown mix up topic, you know. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Man in Raga.
Yeah.
I want to pick up the politician.
Yeah.
Where catch him wife.
Yeah.
He born with the next woman.
Yeah.
And the wife left him now and live with the woman.
Well, lad, you're calling for big up the politician.
Yeah.
We catch him wife again born with the next woman.
Mm-hmm.
And you said the woman left the politician and then with the woman now?
The next woman now. Live with
what, the politician wife left him and gonna live with the woman now?
Yes, Raga.
Mad! Papa G. Did I when this happen, you know? About when this happen?
It happened long time, good while now.
What do you mean good while? Like how long?
About 4 or 5 years now.
Oh, it's a long time since, man.
Mm-hmm.
A long time since. Well, you don't know, so you can't call a politician name.
Man,
that obvious says a politician. But you can't say whether it's PNP or JLP. You can't just tell me that. PNP or JLP? JLP. Okay. JLP.
I don't want to be a woman.
Yeah.
Where? Him tell me, say, right, him realize that y'all want to make me laugh. So, he can't make me laugh nowadays. So, him anytime he touch 9 to 12, him nobody call me and talk to me.
Him just law you make a list of your show. No. Him just law you make a list of your show.
Listen to the show.
Okay.
After 12, he can look for me.
That's our word, man. Blessings. You're right, at least he might give you space, make you enjoy your thing, you see?
Yes, sir.
So you have to love him for that, no?
Yeah, man.
All right, proper sitting here.
Right.
Bless up. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Uptown Mix-Up. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Yes, Raga.
Wow.
First calling.
All right.
I want to send big up to the girl.
Yeah.
We got man yard. And knock the man window, knock the man door. Come out of all. So she wanted to come sleep with her. And the man tell her to go on her yard. No sleep for her. You know what she do, Raga?
What she do?
The girl go home. Go wake up a 3-year-old baby. Put the baby on the phone. Tell the baby to tell the father, say, she feels sick. You know what the father tell the baby to tell the mother, say, tell your mother to go wild tea you if you feel sick.
So weird.
Yeah.
Our man have a woman in there sort out.
Yeah.
And she go there knock window and beat things and whatever.
Yeah.
And the man run her and tell her, go home, go sleep.
Yeah.
And she left her ball and go home.
Yeah.
And then call and make him hear him 3-year-old on the phone and tell the 3-year-old pitney say, if tell him say, she's sick, so him for come over.
Yeah.
And him just tell the pitney say, tell your mother say, if you're sick, she for boil tea give you.
Yeah.
And when this happen, you know?
Early this year.
Early this year, auntie. Okay. So them back and how them.
Like I don't know about her, but if she, I see a call man mascot. She loves to talk about a one-man tour. I see she.
Yeah.
So when she talk about the one-man tour, better she have a dozen of them.
Yeah.
You know, so when you have more than one, you know the man want you more. Because when they give man bun, them love you more.
Hold on. What you say? When woman give man bun, the man them love them more?
Yeah. Yeah, when you do the things them and them find out them love you more, them love you and want you more.
I idiot man you there with. I idiot man you there with. Mr. Idiot pop down idiot man you there with. Oh, I some full man you there with. I some full pop down. Never say come say Friday man you there with.
Me know when me bun and give my man the bun them.
Yeah.
And him hear and him find out come like him love me more raga.
I idiot thing that. A fool man that. I idiot man that. So why take for us? All right, go and go do your thing and left here and go look at next woman.
Him never ever tell me that. Unless I'm me go do it for my own.
What? Wait, is that one man you talk about or something happen with man all the time?
What when me know about my man raga?
That are your man?
Yeah.
That my girl in say you have your man weak like Papi Show, man.
Oh, you know, sir, raga.
Mad. You know, she say your thing a different thing, man.
What?
You know, she say your thing a different thing. Your man weak under your thing and can't even. What? You wait, that are your time?
I'm not supposed to time with the goodness.
With the goodness?
Yeah.
Your time with the good so, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I make a man love you more.
Alright, Raga, big up yourself.
Bless up here.
Alright.
I could read some email. Raga, big up to the man. We married him sister-in-law after 4 years. Raga, the man come to Jamaica with him brother. For meet him brother woman. And them kiss. And Raga, the man send home him brother and marry the woman. Mad. You can't imagine, your brother. Your brother carry you for go meet him when I come up from far and come out and when you see woman. Yes, about yet. My brother now. My brother now not used to this, man. I mean this, man. Yo, go back home. I hear us lucky in. Next email, Raga, big up yourself. Every time, you don't know. But why you big up the politician when me and him wife are sort out? Him can't hold the wife, so. Him can't hold the wife, so she have to sort out with that woman. Hold on. I saw this right? Yeah, that what the people mix up. Raga, big up yourself every time, you don't know. But why you big up the politician when me and him wife are sort out? Him can't hold the wife. So she have to sort out with a woman. That right there. All those things are irresistible. Say that. Irresistible T. Say that. So this email is from a woman who take a politician wife. Because she said the politician can't handle the wife. And them thing people I'm afraid of, you know. Because them thing I go on at Jamaica. That's why the 5 people don't even want to tell a show you go on, you know. Because them thing I expose and I could know what go on, you know. So a politician can't hold the strength, you see me. So his wife moved to a next to my mad. If you in a bus or a taxi right now, say Ray. If you in a police station, fire station, or your teacher sneak and listen, say Ray. If you're there work and you love the mix-up, say Ray. If you's a man where listen just to burn me out, but you listen to the whole show, say Ray. Man, next email. Raga me involved with a big man. However, him live with a woman for a few years. Raga me try my best for stay to the woman way. As me never want her to know, say. As me never want her to know as she know my parents. The man never did a help one bit. It's like him not care. We are all from Cherry Gardens. The man living in the United States. Last week them come to Jamaica. But me never make him know. But him never make me know say she there here. Me did Ghana school. She write the name of the school. Me not say the name. So him come link me. And little things go down. It did nice, Raga. So me text him in the night. And she go read the text. Raga, the girl call. The girl call me. And say she go call my parents. Because a long time she hear about it. But now she have proof. Raga, me just tell her, say, go right ahead, sweetie. As a long time I want to move in your big nice house and wake up to your man every morning. Mad. She drive past my house Sunday and not even a look. Raga, she listen to you. And them not gone yet. And my parents still no know. Raga, me I come up this weekend. And you don't know what happen, Raga. Big up yourself. Hey, you see them woman, they take the people, them man and them bride. The people, them husband. You hear what she say? You hear what she say? She take the woman husband. And when and go send text to the start out nice. And the woman, the wife go read it. The wife go call her. And you hear what she said to the wife? I call her and tell her she go tell her parents because she go call it back. So we tell her which school she go, NCU. So she call her and tell her, say, I'm going to tell your parents. And what she say, go right ahead, sweetie. As a long time I want to move in your house, in your big nice house, and wake up next to your man every morning. No, that a mate with bad woman talk. No, a bad girl talk them. Yo, when I come read the news. All right, when them are late for the news, make we go and read the email till them coming. Hi, Raga. I am so glad I got your email address because if I call in, I know some people would have recognized my voice. When I was about 21, I used to get sought out by two guys that live before each other on the road. Raga, I am an uptown girl. I was born uptown and live uptown all my life. But for me, Raga, I was just one of those who don't care about uptown or downtown. I basically treat people as human beings. Anyways, one night the guy on the right was so upset. Somebody just walk past him and go to the house on the left. Go get my sort out. And the guy, the curtain, them did thin. Raga. So when I was in the bedroom, I could see the next guy outside, on the lawn. I look inside. But Raga, I couldn't care less. I told them both I had a man, which was a lie. Me just didn't want to do my thing without no man a text said for me. Raga, me nah knock nobody who want live them life them way. Who want live them life the way them happy, that is for them business. Raga, take care. Can't imagine. Yo, big up the man where I watch him woman through curtain. You know, about that Dennis Brown song, the name Silhouette. You know that song there? Big up the man who I watch him woman Silhouette through curtain and that proper sort out. It sticky on your my youth. And you time right now to the world.
They say the greatest sickness in the world is from bad mind. And them same one sell out Jesus for few shillings and kind. But Raga, no worry when they try to take your shine. God is your guide every time. Scan them Ragashanti, how them here, boy?
A mix up and blend that time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah. Welcome back up in the Mixup and Blenda Entertainment. Welcome back up in the Mixup and Blenda Entertainment. Right, yes, sir. With me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. I want to big up what them say. The people in Northwest London and Southeast London and listen to a 97.5 FM. Well, that don't make sense. Oh, Southeast and Northwest. Fair listen. I mean, with the implication being that Northeast now here. But how that signal they run? The signal left to run right across and I skip out Northeast and Southwest. It don't really make sense that Southeast and Northwest are here. It's more like Northeast and Southeast are here, don't it? Or Southeast and Southwest are here. Because them there beside, no? I don't know pound sterling explain I want that. But I'm say crazy Londoners up there listening and things, so I want large up. Big up the New Jersey Massive, where Patterson, New Jersey. Well, listen. What? What? Off-air joke. Okay, all right then. Okay, big up the Boston people them are locking. Big up the Worcester people them. Of course, Hartford, Connecticut. And I don't know what's the next week Saturday or what thing. Second leg of the birthday bash. It's all about the West Indian Social Club. You don't know. Twitch, I got there. Ragashanti, I got there, of course. And Loving Deer and Bossy Boy Fly. We go up in the Connecticut line up your lineup because we go party. And talk the things them and things. You see me? West Indian Social Club, everything is everything, man. Roll out for that. Proper sitting up in that like, wow. Okay. Okay, it's all about Uptown Mixup or any other sample mix-up you have right now. Uptown Mixup or any other sample mix-up you have. Top of the morning to you. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Morning, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to tell you about one of my friends, you're not playing netball and everything from way back. Yeah. She live with her baby father.
Mm-hmm.
And she have this next man with her friend when she set up on her sister.
Yeah.
And I see the man there look first, But she said she don't want the man because she have a baby father. So she set up the man on her sister.
All right. So she just said, go and lock in for my sister and think because she have a baby father and everything proper this and
yeah.
All right.
A long time she like the man.
Mm-hmm.
The man and baby father live now, but and the man when set up on his sister.
Mm-hmm.
Them two man, they are friends. So one morning the man get up and go work and the man come check the man. The same time when the man left out go work.
Who get up and go to work?
The girl baby father.
Okay, get up and go to work. And then what?
And yeah, and the next man come when set up on his sister, come and say, I come look for the man.
Yeah.
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 So when the man left out and say, I go to work, he not really have no suspicious or nothing or whatever. So he say, I'm a friend, so I can't leave from my yard or whatever. So the man left out the morning. And the man said, when you reach on the road, I feel him him like him and say, so I'm not sure about going to work this morning, though.
Uh-huh.
And he said, turn back and go in yard,
Uh-huh.
When you left door open by everything out window, when he might go back, he might say, I could have make it do also lock up and the wall is no one right here. And the man have a big F-150 and he still see F-150 park up by gate.
F-150, yeah.
Yeah, when the man pull in door and go in, Raga.
Poopa, jeez.
A man that you see jump off and one and jump in her pants.
Mad! This is the man we're supposed to be there with our sister, though.
Yeah.
Okay. The man who him trust, though.
Yeah.
Because him know say the man that there with him sister-in-law, don't it?
Right, Raga.
And it's like a vibe, just tell himself to turn back that man and doesn't go in there, that man then he jump up off her.
Turn back and see man jump off her and sweat and everything. When you go in there,
sweat and wash him, because him did that work, no. Man did that put it on, pan, chop. And then what happened after that, no?
After that, when the man jump off her woman, he say, what is? She said she feel hot and take off her clothes and she never know if it was the man's spot and she never know if it's stuck in.
Hold on. Her explanation is that she did feel hot.
So she take off her clothes.
So she take off her clothes because she did hot. Yeah. So she just decide to take off her clothes in front of the man because she did hot, no?
Yeah.
And then she said no, when she take off her clothes and the man jump on her, no?
Yeah.
She never know how to stop it. Oh, when the backside is so that's a fair explanation.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened after that now?
The next man now jump in a team van and gone. He's down there cry or whatever. You know where yes down and make him man do?
What?
At knife and burner like slave.
Do what?
At knife and burner upon her shoulder and burner like a slave.
Hold on. You are tell me say after the burner man gone, the man who sought out for her sister to cut.
Yeah, she cut out a long time.
Right, him cut and gone. She make her baby father who come catch her hat a knife.
At a knife.
And brand her upon her body like slave.
Yeah.
What you mean? When you say she make him do that, what you mean? Him did want to do it or she tell him to do it?
Him want to do it and she still gonna make him do it. She don't run nah call nobody herself.
Well, but what you mean him want to do it? What kind of... What you mean? Him just say him want burn her with a hot knife?
No, you know when you catch a man and do something, you get angry. Instead of lick her, you hot a knife and burn her. After that, they burn the hotter.
Oh, so what him say, since you did that burn me, make me really burn you.
Yeah.
So him a give her a real burn now.
A
so him
real
hot
burn.
knife and burn her, you say?
Yeah, and bun her up on her shoulder.
And she sit down there and make him do it because she get catch.
Yes.
Yo, that no sound right at all. That no. Me not defend her or anything, but I don't know about that. Me don't know about that. That yeah, at knife and a bun her them way. If you make a decision, where you what you think about that? What you think about that?
I want to tell the girls, say, she not be still and make no man abuse her the way there. You see?
No, me know say enough man now go agree and talk about a wicked thing she do and whatever and all them something there, but me not support that. That at knife and bun her. Me not support.
Call nobody.
No,
nothing, nothing.
No, I want to tell her what she don't even realize. She gone down a part the right now, you know. She open that door right there now, you know. We are going to cause be a problem for her down the line, you know.
She's pregnant, you know, Raga. She's pregnant right now, you know.
She pregnant right. So when this is that to her?
In her last month.
In her last month?
Yeah.
So she pregnant in her last month?
She pregnant now. I know she's pregnant.
How far advanced is her pregnancy?
I don't really sure, but she tell her sister and her sister Sturdy say she breed for her man.
She breed for her man?
Yeah.
Her man she breed for? Okay. No, not the bonner man she breed for?
Bonner man she breed for because baby father say no fear her. And next baby father say no fear her.
The baby father say no fear him?
No fear him.
So what she say? Who she say she breed for?
She say her baby father she a breed for.
But she say the baby father she a breed for. And the baby father say no fear him?
Yeah, she a for your next sister man.
I for her sister man. What she did that take? The man where the F-150 man where I sort out her sister and I sort out she. And I say but why you see that knife thing that do? She don't even know what door she go open up there. So she open up a door of misery and suffering
and
right there. So.
Still now let him man, Raga.
And still now what?
She still now let him be the father.
What?
The mother with the knife.
What you think she should have do in that position?
Why if I'm in a Raga and he come catch me the friend, man, and me see all these things that happen. Me cut out Raga.
Oh, you as a woman?
Yeah.
Now, when me I say, now that she get catch and thing, and now that she go get born with a hot knife, cause since the man must go say, since you get born, she real born here and born her with a knife. Scare her permanently for the rest of her life with a hot knife. Give her some serious pain there with a hot knife or burn her and thing, whatever. That you're right for say come in like slave, like Branner, like say, because all when them torture people in a World War II, them at knife, at iron and burn and all them something. That them level them type of iron burning to them. But now that happened to her, what you think she should have do at this point?
Boy, probably me lock him up. Tommy, me lock him up.
Well,
I left him Raga. If you don't want to lock him up, this is a beautiful. I left him.
Yeah, I mean, I really, boy, that bone iron bone thing there, that not right, yo. That not right, yo. You know them little thing, you know, get involved in a people thing and whatever, but at the end of the day, she make a terrible mistake, terrible mistake in terms of the boning. Not only that, she got bone her baby father with her baby father friend. The same baby father friend where sort out her sister. So she got put herself in a one whole heap of mix up right there. So you understand? So me nah say, oh, the man have a right for upset or anything. You see me? But I said the iron burning thing there. Me don't know, you know. I'm just hope say nothing like that not repeat and it not be licensed again for us to go abuse her even more and more, you know?
Yeah.
But anyway, that one they sticky. But anyway, as a friend, though, why you want it fair to and go and support her, you know, because she in her zone right now where she make some wrong choices, you understand? And she try to preserve certain things, but I make bad choices in order to preserve certain things, but in the end I work out negatively against certain things. So never as much as I can help her to get some clarity in the matter. Because enough time when you're in the middle or something, you know, you're harder to see it, you know. And when you stand up outside of that and you see it clearly, don't it?
Yeah.
All right, so now for go help her, there's if see things clear and stay strong and thing because it's sticky pan her because she have a youth already. I know she pregnant for her next one and the baby father doubts him. The brother man unlikely to come and then the brother man did a sleep with his sister so she and her sister go have some argument. I be things that are reachy right you know. Anyway, respect.
No, next time big up in Raga.
I was saying that.
We can't call two names though.
If they name them, if the
no, I'm a friend them, my family them.
all right, do your thing.
I want big up high grade Mama. I want big up Caesar.
Hold on, where the first one name? Where the first one name? High grade Mama. Okay.
Yeah.
And where the second one name? Teaser.
Yeah, I want big up Acid.
So the three people them we are big up. The first one name High grade Mama. The second one name Teaser. And the third one name Hot Head. Why your family?
Myself.
And Bumper.
Yeah, myself. Dollars. Yeah.
Dollars. You need dollars?
Yeah.
All right, dollars. Bless up here.
Yeah, man. I'm big up yourself. So.
To the world. Yeah,
To
man.
the
She's a
world.
Bumper already. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. High grade Mama. Teaser. High grade Mama. Teaser. Where next one? Hot Head. Bumper. And dollars. Straight ghetto name them. I ghetto sitting that, you know. High grade Mama, Teaser, Hot Head, Bumper, and dollars to the world. Next call. Hello. People them are each pan the Uptown mix up. Next call. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Raga.
Yeah.
How you do?
I'm there, you know. Way up to.
I have a mix-up for you.
Knock me.
Raga?
Yeah.
This morning, one of my friends called me and told me, say, I never believe what happened to her last night.
Uh-huh.
So I tell her to bust me.
Yeah.
She said one of her friend called her last night early and said how she and her man in some problem.
Yeah.
And she can't see her the house.
Yeah.
So she said, as my friend tell her, say, all right, just pack up a couple clothes and come brace with me for a couple of days.
Yeah.
She said, all right. Rather, my friend only have one bed where she and her man sleep on.
Uh-huh.
So you don't know, so when the friend come, I guess she has to go sleep too.
Right.
So the two of them, the one of them did share the bed another night. No, she said she hot and can't sleep.
That are your friend?
That are my friend, said she hot and can't sleep.
Well, no read in the back here, we get a feedback here.
No man, no read no on.
Okay, we get a feedback. Go on, talk, yeah.
She said she hot and can't sleep, Dean.
Yeah.
So she said she lie down there like she has sleep and she only hear the one conversation and start between the friend when she call over and CR man.
Yeah.
So she said she lie down there and listen now to see her walk on and she said she not take it to nothing until she only hear when the man said to her, say to the girl when she carry over.
Yeah.
Say, she not gonna hear man, the master she sleep dead. And the girl I say, you sure? She say, yeah, she sleep dead.
Voila. Your friend a help out for your friend.
Yes.
Cause some drama reach with she and man.
With she and fear man.
And then she tell her to come over, come sleep over there.
Yeah.
And them the
three of them sleep together. She sleep on one end, the man at the middle, and the friend when she take in on the other side of the bed.
Okay, so the man and the girl are whisper at this point now.
Yes, and she said she hear them, but she not really take it for nothing until she hear when the man said to her, say she sleep dead man, she not go hear.
She sleep dead man, she not go hear.
Yes.
Okay, and then what happened after that now?
She said she only feel when the bed start jerk her down. She said, no man, walk one.
Uh-huh.
She said she do like she asleep because them think she asleep.
And all of this happened last night?
All of this happened last night.
So them a try move it smooth and thing, don't?
Smooth and thing,
rather. Yeah.
She said she fling her hand in the middle to see if she feel the man.
Okay.
She said she don't feel no man. So she turn now like she asleep. You know people are stretch and asleep.
Yeah.
So she turn now like she asleep. And when she turn, she quint look through one eye. And see the man on top of the girl start her out, you know, Raga?
And then what happened after that?
Raga right beside her on the bed. She said, she have to do. She slung her. She said, how she shock? She lie down there and watch them till they're done. When they're done, no, Raga. She said she just take up her clothes them, pack up the man clothes them, and heat them up on the lawn outside. And light a fire, see, Raga, and she start to burn.
I real thing, yeah, tell me.
Raga, you know when she come to me this morning, 1 hour ago, Raga. 1 hour ago, she tell me.
So we had the mix up fresh?
The mix up fresh, Raga.
So, and last night, this thing happened?
It happened last night, and she come to me 1 hour ago, I tell me, Raga.
But, what you mean, chick? People are going to listen right now and I say, Hold on. Lay down on the bed and watch them
Raga?
things. No.
Raga? Me hear some things, my show me. I say, hold on, nothing can go so, but Raga, I prove for myself, Raga. Right now, she and the girl lock up in the bed and can't come out of the house because the girl took out all of her clothes and when she did have on and she did outside. So she said she boil up water and wait for the girl to come out of the house.
So she wait for the girl to come out of the house without water?
The girl now come out, the girl lock up in the house and the man lock up in the house and she the outside.
What
thing me I tell you, Raga?
Well on. So what you do? You tell me say she just lay down on the bed and go on like she still asleep the whole time?
She said, oh, she frightened. She have to just lie down and watch them till then done. She couldn't do nothing.
No, what me I say, at that part that me can't understand. What you mean lie down and watch them? At some point when this a go on, if our man a sneak a sort out with our friend in at the same bed, right? Yeah, and follow me, Ruth, follow me. Don't at some point the man feel look over and a check pan her and all them something there. And watch if she really asleep, eh?
All she had one people to one eye. So she lie down like she has people to one eye upon them, but them think she asleep because the man say how she sleep there, so him not expect that she go there and watch them.
So it's like them a take time and do them thing over there.
Raga,
while she just barely a look through her eye and I see everything, but them think she asleep in the darkness there, don't it?
Yes, man, a darkness, man. She just barely a peep to the eye and watch.
Okay, well, it's possibly in that sense. Because so them they are screechy with the thing and then I go on, you know?
Yeah.
And them things that she still asleep while she are watching her go on.
While she are watching, so she could do not like till then done. Right and around.
And she said she did just so frightened. In other words, she was in such shock.
Yeah.
That she don't even know how to react. That's what she said.
She never know how to react.
But you know, but I believe that it is possible, you know. But you know, some people are listening and say them can't imagine that happen and not move. Hello?
Yes, Raga?
Yeah, you can't imagine how some people are listening and say them can't imagine that happen and them never move or do something, you know?
Well, it happened, Raga. I say right now, I know she still some put her doing at the sun. Me live down at the bottom, she live up at the top. Can't stay on my doorway and look up on her.
Yeah, see her not 2-plate rag.
With 2-plate rags, have the water in her hand.
I wait for your man and her friend come out.
And none of them now come out.
And none of them now come out. And at what time,
yes,
man?
Yes, Raga.
You serious?
This serious,
listen
Raga.
to me now.
This serious, this happening.
Listen to me now. Tell her, when you come off the phone with me, you tell her that we understand where she feel and all them something there. But throwing hot water upon them people is not worth it. No, well, the water, I hope the water cold. Tell her, say, listen to me now. She need to think about her future right you know. And she ought to go do something where I go end up put she in a jail or prison or some problem and thing and go blighted for her future. You understand?
Yeah, man.
And quite frankly, neither her friend or the man work that type of tragedy are going in her life right you know. So she feel allow hot water, knife or anything, allow the thing and make some other decision that doesn't involve that does not involve violence.
Well, she gets the man already, so she burn the man clothes.
She burn up him clothes and them something. Well, that's different. I mean, violence perpetrated on another person's body, right? We don't want she got done for her future, right? This and things. So we want she let go that, you know? Yeah. Yeah, well, you don't know, so you can't tell me no road and thing. We can't do.
You can't tell her the parish.
Yeah, you can't tell her the town.
Mandeville. Yes, in an Uptown district, prominent Uptown district in a Mandeville.
Prominent, for real?
For real.
And she out the right, you know?
And she out the right now.
Okay. The water, well, hopefully water cool right, you know, and thing or whatever, you know. Okay.
Raga, I can't send 2 shout-outs.
Yeah, you really want to send 2 shout-outs after that?
Yes,
okay.
Raga, I want to send 2 shout-outs.
All right.
I want to big up Princess, that I'm my mother. I want to big up Princess, my mother, and my sister, Ecstasy.
Okay. Your sister name?
Ecstasy.
All right, then.
This is Tiny.
All right, Tiny. Now send out the bless up, yeah?
Big up yourself.
Okay.
To the world.
Yeah, man. I know all if people are driving around in a Mandeville looking at people yard now, you know. Anybody them stand up on that tree. How are you? Anyway, I want to break right and I was so far.
New Star 93 FM. New Star 93 FM.
Raga in the area, rule over all, flex with the baller, no man parlor, game where I feel me no know where the stall for. You know see him status getting taller. Raga, we ignorant for them, we not look pan them. You know it's Queen Paula aka Miss Universe.
A mix up and blender time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yo, yo, yo. Dang, 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 dang. Dang, 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 dang. Spamming me, bandy, bam, bam, bam. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our things here. And it's all about Mixup and Blenda Entertainment. We have a little bit over 20 minutes to go before the conclusion of the show on today, Thursday, the 10th of September. That month, the birthday month for Ragashanti. Proper respect here. It's all about Uptown Mixup or any other Mixup on the Avant thing. Well, there's some debate already about who was if the baby father was or the friend was. I think the friend was this one than the baby father. What you say, Jans? The girl, man, remember she call her friend, or she call her friend over help the friend. You know? I met the friend sleeping on the bed with she and her man. So when one say what the man do violate, what the woman do violate, right there, so but who was her? Not a friend. You know, somebody I say the baby father because where them come from long, whatever. No, but I had a friend because, Yeah, well, that's right. Maybe that's why she not a problem with fear, man. You never know. But me feel a friend, worse than the baby father. Hello.
Hello.
Raga? Yeah. Greeting.
Morning.
Yeah.
Raga, me have one baby father. I get a mix up about him.
Yeah.
2 times I come on your show now and him lock me out.
Hold on. 2 times you come on my show?
Yes, and him lock me out, Raga.
And when you come on back, him lock you out?
Yes, Raga.
Why?
Raga, him no want me go nowhere. Raga, you know when you have your bed and you have your big teddy bear and your beard, your beard, you put up your bed and you put your teddy bear and you go after him do my Raga night time.
Him do what? Say that again, what?
Raga.
Yeah.
Like you have a big teddy bear in your bed.
Yeah.
And you just spread up your bed and put it in the middle on the pillar.
Yeah.
Raga, I saw him do me. Raga, when him want go away, him wait when me gonna sleep, him wait in my beard.
Yeah.
And me gonna sleep, Raga, and him go about him business.
Yeah.
Me come in your show now, Raga, come enjoy myself.
Yeah.
And me go back home after me drink 2, me not drinking a Raga, me drink 2 Guinness and a Red Bull and say, boy, me I go home now. When me let the show go start him out. Okay,
so you say in general you not drink, but when you come to show you couldn't drink Red Bull on my show. You would probably drink Taboo.
Yeah, me drink the 2 of them, Raga.
Taboo, the Taboo you drink?
Yes, me my sister-in-law.
No, what you drink? Taboo?
Me drink the Taboo and the Red Bull and the Guinness.
No, but when? Which show?
Your birthday bashment, Raga.
Oh, okay.
You
what?
Come hug you up at the bar.
Yeah, no, remember now, because the Taboo them did done. Yeah, you're right. Because me just,
come from early. So, Raga, after me go home and tell my dad, I say, open the grill and make me come in. She can't find the key, Raga. So, I say, all right then, me throw in my knapsack bag. And I say, I go to the road. So, I have one dog in my yard we call Brownie.
Yeah.
So, I say, Brownie, Raga road, because I get locked out. Raga, after me, hear one party and got the party.
Talk a little louder, yeah.
After me hear one party now, and got the party, many dog and come back round. So me sit down for one.
Hold on. So your man lock you out and you and your dog left and go party?
Yes, Raga.
You and Brownie?
Yes, me and Brownie.
Hold on then. Well, sorry then. Well, me give Brownie a tambourine. Tambourine for Brownie. Gonna dance, man, to the world. You and Brownie apart, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
After me go on the dance now, and I see like the dog ready. So I say, all right, Brownie ready, and the dog jump up on me. So I come back.
Well, you talk this thing like a joke. What you? I want the backside. I say, you're there party. I see like a Brownie ready for cut.
Yes, Raga, and the dog jump on me. I say, you ready, Brownie? And I say, all right, we're ready now. We come round, Raga. Me and 2 more youths sit down on the bench. Run from my avenue.
Sit down on the bench?
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
And we are talking about, you're sure we out there get you.
Yeah.
Raga, when me look, me see the man come out, then him start call me phone, Raga. So me say, me not answer. Because me come and I call you and you not answer.
Yeah.
Raga, me sit down on the bench, Raga. Me see the man come up and fake up on me. So me say, what did I be at here? So me fold me and said, Raga, the man give me an uppercut. Raga, say, Peeny Wally.
punch you out.
Yes, Raga.
Why?
Say him a call my phone and me not answer. Raga, one day the man take on my phone and Raga all him one number he write out.
All him one number he erase out of your phone.
He write out, Raga say me will call him. And Raga when me see him again, say me give him my phone.
Oh, him write out all film number too.
All film one number, Raga.
So him take your phone. Hold on, mad. So wait, him take your phone and I write out the number them where I go call.
Yes,
I write out all film number too.
Film number to Raga. Raga, me say no, Raga, when many ma start out in a Raga. The way they start out sweet him in a Raga, sometimes when he done Raga and belch. He say, Mommy, do no give this assault out here.
When you say when you animal sort out,
yes,
I want the way the sort out sweet him in belch.
Raga in belch.
Well, I've never heard that before. No, why? I mean, people only belch when they're eating.
Well, I don't know Raga because it's sweet him, and he tell me say, do Mommy, no give this assault out here.
Oh well, we just have to ask though, cause the belching thing kind of strange. Was he swiping?
No, Raga.
Okay. You never given a detail. We're just curious why he would be belching. Well, that must some good sort out, that man.
Raga,
you can't imagine that you said on a good sort out and when you done the man go.
Raga,
yes, man, I clear my stomach right. Tambourine.
So Raga, he no make me go nowhere. I tell him say 27, me at their backyard. He can't stop me. Me tell him say.
Wait, the 27. What that no?
Yes, Raga.
What, at 27?
Yes, Raga, 27.
You know, that is not my show, right?
It's not your show?
No, it's not my show. It's somebody else keeping a show that I'm supposed to be on, but we're finalizing some things, here?
Okay. Raga.
Yeah.
How many years because Vereen Avenue?
Vereen?
Yes.
No, and them there. No, well, you have to be careful, you know, because sometimes I don't like people know where I go, you see me?
Okay.
But you don't know the studio on the road, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know Ufa studio, right?
Yes, sir.
And you don't know it's my link.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, so I did it all the while, man. Big up Cash Up, big up Wasp, big up Fantan Moja and the whole nine. All right, then.
Raga, my name is Honey Bunchy.
Honey Bunchy?
Yeah, I can big up some co-worker.
All right, quick here.
Big up Ruthie Baker and Tracy Porter and Tommy and Terry and Cassandra.
All right.
They work with on Kingston Spring Road?
Yeah.
Yeah, 48.
All right, then.
All
Bless
right.
her.
Yes, Raga.
Okay. I say you have some people, listen, man. Them, I don't know how them get me email, but them them I send a whole heap of junk thing, man. Them junk. I don't know them get my personal number. But them end up as I send some money. When I stop sending money for junk promo thing that to my number, man. January, that's why sometimes, man, it's so annoying. So annoying. I'm not giving nobody my number. Nobody. And boy, somebody for put you give your private number and put it on mailing list. And it's just so insulting and rude. Here we go to the phone line. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
We have a mix-up figure.
Blaze it up.
We have one friend. She attacked this guy, dream of money.
Yeah.
So it's like then they're good. The relationship nice. Money done. She start cheat on the boy. So he come like him and I'm mad. Not really mad still, you know, but he might make a big deal outside.
Yeah.
Raga, the boy say ma kill a girl, you know, ain't see him. Raga, boy pick a girl lock and go on a girl yard in a hours and nights and wait for the girl. Raga, you see when the girl pull the door, the man in there sleep on her bed with the scissors in her hand. The girl could have killed him.
Him jump asleep in her bed with scissors in her hand.
Yes, Raga.
Because two shot body man the stress I kill him and all them something them him claim say I kill her. So him pick her lock, go in there and wait for her. But the wait him and waiting get tired and go jump asleep in her bed with the scissors in her hand when going there for the
yes, Raga she left him for one baller boy.
Oh, she left him for one footballer.
Yeah.
So wait, so then so what she do when she see my lady on that bed now with the scissors?
Yeah. She go to jungle justice. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I know that, though, but, yeah, give her the levels now. What she do?
Eh?
What she do? She make a link and what?
She go to them and then call him up and tell him if he avoid that. Because she say Shannon left now.
Yeah.
So then tell him if he avoid her and something.
Yeah.
But he still a follow back her in an argument with her and her mother have to go to him and cuss him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But she cool now, though.
Yeah, man, Raga.
Okay. But that why I'm just some boy I broke in at some woman house and think they might wait for them for go do them something and Japa sleeping at them bed with scissors in her man.
We don't know what it, Raga.
Anyway, bless up here.
Raga, man, big up a place. Big up a tie spend masses and the capital masses them.
To the world.
Partner in crime, gambling house crew. All right, take care.
All right then.
Yeah.
Gambling house crew. Only on this show. You know, you have some people that are listening. Okay, can we write about that? You think we could write about that to the Observer or the Gleaner and thing? Wicked paper. What they are for them, man. Just give you a piece of hype. I will love it. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Raga.
Wow.
What a guan.
Pepsi! What going on?
We have a while to Uptown, Mixup here.
Rains.
A long time ago, something from 1973.
Yeah. 73.
You know, back in them days, okay. Just come at town and I'm a 16-year-old.
Okay.
And get this, I have to work and lose it and get this proper gardener work up a Mesborough.
Yeah.
Up a Barbican.
Yeah.
All right, Raga. That's some rich people, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. People are well off because them are a 17-year-old that go on proper school for Hope Road.
Yeah.
You know that proper school.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, that's... We used to see... They never have nowhere to put me because they are gardener otherwise, you know.
Uh-huh.
So they never have nowhere to put me. So, in the night, I have to wait till they give me a fall in bed in the night. Now, I have to wait till everybody gone to bed and then I put me fall in bed in the passage.
Okay.
You know, see, so why I never love that, you know, but they have a pool, they have a pool house, so I just take the fall in bed and carry over the pool.
Yeah.
So over there for me, over the pool house, me black.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So I have to know that one day over the pool house, sir.
Yeah.
In the evening, lie down and things like that. When we look, and the proper data come over there.
Yeah.
The 17-year-old. Them start out down, but that's not really mix up. Right?
Yeah.
One evening now, I move over the pool house already, and when I look at the mother, I say, come over there.
Yeah.
And me in the pool house, and I look for her through the window.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you're a young boy and things like that, you look proper. But rather, she lady take out her things and start do her things.
Okay.
You know, see, so me a peep through there and I look for her. I first never see them sitting in my life. Country boy just come at town. I first never see them sitting in my life.
So the first you ever see a lady, I use her things and I make sure so she make herself happy.
Yes, never see that in my life yet, brother.
So she never know you in the pool out?
No.
I never in your life, you probably don't even know a woman do them something, they don't.
Never, Raga. Me a country boy just come at town, Raga, man. I no used to them, I never know about them.
So she alone out there? And she just back out her things and start deal with her things?
Yes, that's around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Are you 8 o'clock night? Are you that? And at 16-year-old boy from country, you never know a Uptown woman do them things, they don't?
No, sir. I'm a peep through the window, Raga. I look for her, you know.
Yeah.
And Raga, in the meantime, in the pool house, because at 12 o'clock straight there, say.
12 okay.
12 o'clock straight.
Okay. I was about so that people understand the code. So you know a young, virile boy now. Just come from country. You go see the mother now for the place where you are work. Come out of the pool, outside. Take out her object where she keep for herself and start use it and for take care of herself, right? And the impact it have on you is that you move from the time of 6:30 and immediately you start to say 12 o'clock.
Exactly.
All right, sir.
Right? But it coming like where I don't know, it coming like some little thing is like the woman realize the Indian I look. And she say, nobody know me as Pepsi them time.
Yeah.
What? Marcel, is that you? Marcel, is that you, Raga? Me drop down for the window and kneel down. I'm not answer. I said, Marcel, is that you?
Uh-huh.
Is that you? I'm not answer, Raga. Man, get up, Raga, and push the pool door. And come in, go see me, cringe up in the little corner. And so he was watching me, man. He was watching me, but But to her amazement, she wasn't vexed.
Okay.
Raga. And the woman do that, take off a whole lot of rest or something, you know.
Careful, yeah, man.
Raga. That's the first time I have ever got swiping.
All right, now, we can't go in more than that then.
I understand.
You had a wonderful time after that, right?
You know, say, around, I go and start out the data, say, you know, say, around 2 months or 3 months after that, the data come tell me, well, Saturday evening, time just get me pay, you know.
Yeah.
Right? They earn big money up there, you know, because they have around 8 car, me I get $4 for wash up every car man in time, and sometimes a big family, you know. And sometimes a weekend time.
And this is way back in the early 70s, eh? So what you said now, so you are work for this family as a gardener and who wash a car, and you end up a sort out the mother and the daughter?
Yeah, man.
At a young age of 16?
16, daughter was 17 and the mother was around 13.
You know, Pepsi, I'm an anthropologist. I'm a cultural anthropologist.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm one of those who try to make people realize that socialization have a lot to do with how you turn out and the choices you make. Now you run a go-go club, Pepsi. You run a go-go club, Pepsi.
Yeah.
Right? And you... And this is the experience you had at that age. No wonder you're running a go-go club. This is what... Pepsi, I work for Uptown family at 16 and whatever you sort out the data and you see the mother use a vibrator and them something and the mother catch you and then I fix you up and all them. No wonder you're running a go-go club. Anyway, we will bounce one more call before. Yeah, you run.
You run, but nothing never go so.
Nothing never go so. Okay, she got like to the world, man. Pepsi, man. Proper link. Okay, big up all of the garbage truck drivers in Montego Bay, especially Leon. Big up Leon and all of the garbage truck driver them. Proper link. One more call before we cut the place right there, sir. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, greetings.
First time call, a long time listener.
To the world.
Okay, I'm not really calling on this topic, but I'm calling about a friend I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's along with this man who lives in America, but the man is married.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and it's like a crazy money, like a pay money man I spend on a young girl, and it's like the man can't start out now nothing. Just like a swiper, nothing more than like just spend money, I buy furniture and all of that. And the other day, I'm fly down in a Raga.
Uh-huh.
And I tell you, say, the woman know piece of land was still, and you know, do nothing more than he take the man and carry the man go show him piece of land.
Uh-huh.
Land gear. And he get back in the wife's ears and I pay crazy arguments and things like that. No matter. But I tell you, say, friend, not easy neither.
Okay. I eat that.
No, I have one next one with my friend.
All right, now we're going to take one more. Give a call back with the other one here. Call back with the other one. Call back with the other one. Bring in the next one quick. Yeah. Hello. Oh, that's what them say time run after and all of that too. Okay, people, I saw it set up. Yo, when you call him, when you mix up them, make sure say the mix up them sell off. Don't just tell us something will happen, you know, because you could not tell us something will happen when I really have no entertainment value, you know, and think. No disrespect. Okay, you don't know, say it's all about Blue Beat later on, seeing Blue Beat later on and thing. Bossy Boy fly the Ragashanti in concert. I don't know the levels with that. We're going to lock the place and thing. It's all about the Blue Beat Martini comedy night. Talk the things them look more. And you don't know, say, tomorrow morning it's all about an outside broadcast at Margaritaville. Same place on the strip down there. So we are lock up Montego Bay right now. As them step on the road, Galtigo Bay. We are lock up the place like, wow. Big up all of my brethren over there. Big up Miss Capitan. Big up Fan the Fire. Big up Miss Experience. And team, big up Zebedee, the real driver over there, and team, big up Michelle, up there in the tools and parts and them place. The big up all of my link them. Big up Tiger, saying big up Oscar, big up my farmites link them. Big up Mrs. Roden, acting principal and thing. Up in a farm high, oh you go farm high, Farmite what? Junior and primary and junior high, I saw it go. You know it? Yeah, go on like say you know it. You know it? You have a listener, Raphael, who is a taxi man from there. A listener for which program? For morning paper. One of your listeners. Okay, yeah. Morning Papers, that very good program that I listen to early in the morning, I think. I say, big up Morning Papers, I think. Big up Morning Papers. When I vex with it, when I pick by the body, it's a little bit different without DK being there. But we work with it anyway. I listen down, say a word, man, proper thing. 9 o'clock tomorrow again, people. It's all about Margaritaville. Down a man think be a death, so we are going to the world. Take care of yourself, people. Remember, you can't love another until you truly learn to love yourself first. To the world, take care of yourself. Out the road.